Hey everybody, welcome to Cara's Cucina. On this channel, we encourage everyday people to live healthier by inspiring them to cook delicious food at home. I'm Cara Di Falco. Today I am going to be showing you a great dish that my dad loves because we're celebrating Father's Day and the official start of summer this coming weekend. We're going to be making some pork chops with onions and peppers. For our dish, this is a really great, easy one-pan meal for you. So I have 4 boneless pork chops. You can use a bone-in pork chop as well, and I've seasoned those with salt and pepper. Got 1 small onion, a yellow onion that I chopped up, and about a half a jar of fried peppers. So if you're someone who fries peppers at home, you can use those, or you can get the jarred ones in the grocery store in the condiment aisle. Also got a little olive oil, and we want to thank our friends over at Drizzled vinegars. We're going to be using some of their balsamic vinegar today. So my oven is preheated to 375 degrees. I'm using cast iron, but any oven-safe pan will work here. I've got it pretty hot, so we're gonna add in our olive oil and start to saute our onions. Once our onions have started to soften, we're gonna add in our pork chops and just let them brown on either side. Just before going in the oven, we're going to drizzle our pork chops with about 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. We're going to get in those fried peppers. Just make sure everything's mixed well. Turn off the heat on our stovetop. Do be careful because your pan is certainly going to be hot. But these are going to go into that 375 degree oven. Pork chops this size will take about 25 minutes or so to cook. If you have a larger chop, obviously it's going to take you a little more time. Serve your pork chops topped with those peppers and onions with some crusty bread alongside, a nice salad for you as well, always goes well, or roasted potatoes. Once again, we want to thank our friends over at Drizzled vinegars. I'll hook you guys up with a link in the description below and where you can purchase their balsamic, which is what we used in this recipe. You can find the recipe at caradifalco.com. You can follow me, Facebook and Instagram at Cara Di Falco. And I hope you guys all enjoy celebrating dad and father figures in your life with this delicious one-pan meal for you. That is it for this week in the Cucina. Happy Father's Day, everybody. I'll see you guys next time. Buon appetito.